CTOC probe missing 2-year-old case as kidnapping. The suspect is in custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch says that the police are questioning a suspect as they probe the case of missing Clarendon baby Jahmeal Mendez. The police have stated that they have reason to now probe the matter as a case of kidnapping. It is understood that a man was detained during a police operation in the crime-plunged community of Effortville in the parish. For Jahmeal's 26-year-old mother, Cara Williams, the news offers some level of comfort. She says that she won't feel at ease until her baby is returned home safely. 2-year-old Jahmeal was reportedly missing over 2 weeks ago in Sandy Bay in Clarendon. His family has offered $1 million reward for information leading to the safe return. Ms. Williams says she is clinging to hope that Jahmeal is still alive and safe, and is therefore appealing to the captors to return him home. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.